Well, I'd like to report my shop doesn't leak anymore. Put that wider piece up there. So yeah, we got some rain, some good rain. It poured pretty hard for maybe about 15 minutes, and then just kind of drizzled and rained off and on for about another 45 minutes, maybe an hour and a half of rain. But this yard just soaked that right up. I mean, there's not a puddle left anywhere except for maybe on the 10. But yeah, the yard just drank that right up. It's again, it's not enough. It's not like they got up in Dallas. Of course, even if we get that kind of rain here, 7 inches in 24 hours, it's all going to run off. I don't think it even put a dent in that pond down there. So, yeah, and it's pretty much over with for right now. We might get some more tomorrow, but oh well. At least we got something. Thanks for watching.